Young Gezel. Hey y'all, it's Jimi P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so if I want to upload all of my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. So today's video is sponsored by Jewelry Hunt. They sent me some pieces from their designer collections. Jewelry Hunt is basically an e-commerce platform, and they basically find like the best designers all across the world. Yes, girl, all across the world that have their own unique designs, and they bring them together on their e-commerce platform, which is called Jewelry Hunt. So all the pieces that I have are from different designers, different, you know, people that have made these specific pieces, and you are not going to find them anywhere else. And since Mother's Day is coming up, of course, I have a discount code for y'all so y'all can get some coins off when you're making your purchase for your mama. We love all mamas out there, okay? So I will leave that on the screen or down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out down below. Jewelry Hunt also offers a 15% commission for anybody that shares the link to anything on their website. So you can get 15% commission off of whatever you sell. It's basically like an affiliate ambassador program. So if you're looking into getting into it, girl, definitely check them out for that too. Now, I'm gonna stop rambling, girl. Let's get into this video because I'm really excited to show y'all all the pieces that I got. So first up, I do want to just take a look at their detailing on the packaging. I love that. It's like a cloth material, first of all. It has the Jewelry Hunt logo kind of like embedded in it. And then it's kind of like an envelope. It's like super cute. And it has the jewelry just placed really delicately inside. I just thought that was really, really cute. I don't know what about it that I liked. I just feel like it looks like a passport. And it kind of makes sense because it's like all around the world and it's a passport. You get it? You get it? Okay, girl, yeah. So let's open her up. That is so cute. Okay, so we're going to slide her on out. So we have her wrapped up in a baggie, and then it's also nicely wrapped up in like this little I don't even know what to call this, like styrofoam paper maybe. This is the necklace, and I've seen this. It's kind of like a tribal print, and I was really excited about this one because I was just like, oh my god, this is so cute. I feel like it's like just a cute little piece that you can wear just to have like on an everyday type of basis. You know what I mean? Usually I keep up with just like one necklace that I wear every day, but I really did want something to like pair with this, like, you know, just like to double it up. Next up we have another one, same packaging and everything. We're gonna open her up. I think this is the ring. Oh my gosh. Now listen, this is technically an engagement ring. So fellas, if you are out here looking to get engaged, y'all gonna fall in love with this ring. I fell in love with it online, so I'm kind of excited. And I didn't get it as an engagement ring. I honestly got it because it was like so pretty. It's like this really pretty emerald green color, and I just wanted it, girl. I'm really picky about what type of jewelry I have because I feel like jewelry can either make you look really cheap or really, really luxury and fancy and bougie, okay? Girl, I mean, like, can we get a close-up on the ring? Like, she is literally gorgeous. I feel like, I mean, what ring can get better than this? Like, honestly, if my fiance was to propose to me with an emerald green ring and it was this one, I would be like, all right, I'll take it. This is so freaking pretty and I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love her. It has like the clusters going around. It has the emerald green on the inside. Like, that is just perfect. It's like this really petite, like thin gold band. I just think that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at her. I honestly just think she's perfect. Like, she looks so pretty on the hand. Like, I can't like, I love her. So this is what she is looking like. I'm actually obsessed, honestly. Like, I'm actually really excited about this one too. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this one because like, I'm just really excited about this one. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at her. So she actually reminds me of the designer brand that's like hitting the streets real hot right now, which is Van Cleef. So I really was obsessed with this because we love something that is like something really similar to like those really expensive brands, but not as expensive and definitely still a great quality. So I love the interior on it. It's gold. I love the colors in it. It's definitely really spring, and that's what I was like really excited about, that it's like a spring type of cufflink. So she is adjustable, but you know, my wrist ain't but so big, so we just gonna slide her on and then just kind of close her up. And she looks quality jewelry matters. Like, quality jewelry matters. That's all I'm gonna say. Quality jewelry matters. I feel like this is so pretty. I feel like it sits so well on my wrist, and it also is so high quality. It literally looks like a $1,000 piece on my arm. Like, this is so freaking pretty. Do y'all like her? She definitely is giving off the Van Cleef vibes. I'm obsessed with her. And yeah, I don't know, right now it's in between the ring and this bracelet. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have one more pair that I want to show you guys, and we are going to see what she is, because apparently this was a gift that they sent me along with everything else. So this one is actually a surprise. So let's see what she is. Oh, they're earrings. They're the matching earrings to this necklace right here. That is so freaking cute. So they're like the same tribal print gold plated earrings, and it has the what is it called, the twist on backs. I love that. I feel like that's when you know a piece of jewelry is very high quality, when it has like that twist on back. Love that. All right, y'all, that was everything that I had to show you guys. Shout out to Jewelry Hunt, and of course all of their designers on that e-commerce platform. It is Mother's Day coming up, so if you haven't gotten your mama a gift yet, it is not too late. Make sure you check out Jewelry Hunt to get your mother something really nice for this upcoming Mother's Day. Okay, y'all, let me know down below, what was your favorite piece? Did you like the earring, the necklace, the ring, or the bracelet? Y'all let me know down below which one was your favorite, and don't forget to check out the links down below to check out Jewelry Hunt's website. Okay, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.